welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to give y'all, well, it's an Etsy shop update, the whole thing, but half is my newest digitals that I've released and the other half is a flip through of what I use the digitals to make. All of it's in my Etsy shop, but I do want to start out with those digitals first. So half of these digitals were printed out on regular printer paper and the other half was printed out on cardstock because my husband changed my printer paper to regular printer paper when I had cardstock in there without telling me. But we're just going with it. So these are the papers called Summer Garden, and I am in love. I just want to give y'all a look at these. There's a lot. I think there's 20 pages total, I believe. And hopefully they all printed and are all here. I honestly did not check because I've been working on printing these papers out for 2 days. Because, you know, life is a little hectic at the moment. Oh, there we go. I just love how these turned out. So whimsical, fantasy, shabby. I just love it. And I think, you know, I mean, obviously these are not super realistic, you know, with the with some of the things. And I was just thinking, you know, to have a garden, to walk outside and to see something like this would just, it would be magical. It would. I love them. See, this one is like, could totally make this happen if you had the space and the time and the money. I love it. Now we're on to regular printer paper. Thank you, husband. Oh, just love it, love it. Oh, I love this one. I don't know which one's my favorite, but I love it. That rug right there is one of the most favorite rugs I have ever seen. I would say on a digital, but it's my favorite rug. One of my favorite rugs. I love it. Not just on a digital. I love the rug. Okay, and then I have 4 sheets of ephemera. And I am upset that this wasn't printed out on cardstock because now I'm going to have to reprint it for me to use it. But oh well. I mean, just look, that's just so pretty. But I had been meaning to show this to y'all for days, and when I realized that it all wasn't printed out on cardstock, which was what I had intended on doing, I'm just going with it. I will reprint it later. Look at these little she sheds, little shabby she sheds. China cabinets. So pretty. And then we have a sheet of tags. Love that little hat. All right, so that's it. That is the whole digital kit. And I made this CD sleeve ephemera folio using them. I've got some fabric here, and I've made a dangle. I just love, I've saved these for quite a while. I've had this piece here, and I was going through my stuff the other day and was like, that's perfect. I love how it looks right there, so I used it. Have a pretty little pale pink applique, some fabric and gauzy pieces, and more sari silk down there, and another sparkly blue piece. Got some cheesecloth, another sweet little soft piece of lace, and up here some flowers and sequins. Got some collaging. Got 3 clearish, opaque-ish dots up here, and some wallpaper. In the back, we've got the wallpaper, and the I actually dyed these CD sleeves a very, 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 very pale pink with just a hint of some coffee splashes, and I love how they came out. Got it tied together because it's a little bit chunky there. So there's the opening. Love it, love it. I've made a pocket out of an envelope. Did collaging and stamping on that. Got a little bit of ruffle here with a safety pin, and let's see, just the cutest little dangle there. Some pearls. And let me see, yeah, there we go. Okay, I had to be like, how do I access that in there? Because it's been a little while since I made this because I hadn't printed out the digital. So got some lace here, an applique, and another pretty image here, and a piece of antique. Seriously, that is an antique book there piece. And y'all saw in here, I've got some goodies. I'm going to just have an image, and love that sound. Place to write if you want to. Here I've got some pockets. Here's one, and I've made this cover for it here using one of the images. We've got a tag with more place to write if you choose. A pretty tag. Some tickets here. And that was made from embossed and pale pink dyed library card holders. And I did not cover these 2 sides because I like the embossing in the pale pink, and I wanted some of that to show. So this side I covered up, I made a cover for, and these sides I left blank with the polka dot embossing in the pale pink. We got another little tag with the button and a little pink dangle there with some lace, and another little piece of paper, little ride lace with some pretty script. I did pack this one pretty full with ephemera. That's probably why that other one wouldn't go in really well. I see that end wanted to flip up there, and it's like, nope. I'll have to go check to see if that's like that and straighten it out. Just in case. There we go. Over here, got another tag. and another piece of paper, another couple pieces of paper. More places to write. And I see I already pulled the tag out from the other side. Over here, I've made a pocket out of more of the digitals. And here we've got another tag. Love that. And another place to write, a little postcard. Over here is the back of the envelope coming from this side. Y'all, I love that button. Love it. And I've had it for a while, and I finally found a use for it. I think that's just perfect. I love it. Got one of the digitals here, more of that old book. And I'm gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out right here before I flipped it. Here I've got another paper writing place, and here I've got this image, and I love that. Love it. I just love so much about this project. I love the project. That's so pretty through there. More stamping and collaging and of an applique here. And I just think that's just so pretty. And over here we've got a cute little heart paper clip holding on that image of the outdoor china cabinet, little shed area, and another writing space. And here we've got that really pretty image. And I think that just turned out so beautifully. And we are at the end. All right, well, both of these, the digitals and this little booklet, are in my Etsy shop. I'll leave that link below in the description. And I thank y'all for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.